Oh, that's crazy, boys. I thought I needed injectors in my truck. Turns out it was a bad ground. Isn't that crazy? But ever since I've had this truck, if you're at 100 and it seemed okay, but if right around 108, it would start really clattering, until you got past 110 sort of thing. And yeah, it doesn't do that now, so it's kind of disappointing. I mean, it's good that it doesn't do it anymore, but I've driven the truck a couple years like that, so I probably didn't like it. No low voltage to the friggin' Marmaduke, but there's no check engine light or anything like that. No worries. Yeah, I'm just hooking the trailer on right now. I just wanted to know, like, are they in like a basement? Or are you able to give me right on? Right on, perfect. Yes, sir. Right on, perfect. I'm coming from Inwood. It's sort of between Sarnia and London. I'm like an hour and 8 minutes away, the GPS says. So. Yeah, the truck's definitely running a lot smoother. It's less abrasive, if that makes any sense. It sounded really abrasive before. But anyways, gotta go get a couple of cabinets. And yeah. Awesome. Holy sh**. They got a cop car totally blocking off the 907. Whoa. I'm not gonna come home this way. I'm not sure. There's fuzz everywhere. Oh, Camaro Lamborghini fuzz car. Holy sh**. Yeah, I got a few trailers.
Doing landscaping?
No, I'm just doing a bunch of miscellaneous things.
Oh.
Oh, not too bad. How are you doing?
All right, bud. Middle of getting rid of all my shit. It's amazing what the find.
Oh, yeah.
All right, I got it all lined up to go. So what I did, I left some of this stuff here.
Right on.
Okay. Enough of it. But are you interested on this?
Yeah, might as well.
Okay. Yeah, whatever it's in here, it's yours. Okay.
Right on.
Just gonna throw it out anyway. So.
Right on.
Okay.
Oh, you even got a car. Yeah, I went to grab my cart and the tire was flat on it.
No,
Oh,
I
shit.
have the cart ready
I gotta
to go.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's a lot of stuff there too.
Holy. Just fully stocked.
Yeah. Oh, I have tons of things, believe me.
Right on.
Yeah. So, yeah, they've been with those cabins. They've been with me for a few years.
Right on.
And they're very handy. There's just I'm downsizing from 3,000 square feet to 1,000, and no garage, no shop. So.
Oh shit! You got a 50?
I don't know. Let me see.
Right on, man.
All right.
Yes, sir.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
And enjoy your cabin.
Have some treasure hunting to do.
Yeah, very, very handy.
Oh, big time.
It's amazing how much you can put in there, and it's always nice and organized.
Oh, yeah, that's the plan.
Yeah.
Right on, man. Thanks a lot.
Take care, buddy.
Yeah, you too. Have a good day.
Safe trip back.
What's that?
I hack your
Yeah, the spiky lug nuts. Yeah. Right on, see you later.
Take care.
Oh, the police out today. Must be a day for the police. Bessie, tax dollars, boys. So friggin' tax dollars. Sassy! You see the chooch? See the chooch on my Goodwood? Trying to beat Vader. trying to beat the rain, boys. Nope. Nope. No good. Lightning, a big time. Holy. That's not too bad for not being able to back up a trailer, hey boys? What happened? Oh, holy trailer slipping as that's crazy. There's like one drop just from opening the drawers. So I'll just stop doing that, and then there won't be any drops. For me? Not too bad. For me?
This is her.
Right on. It'll start and everything, run?
It will. The battery's just dead, but it does run and drive. The brake lines are shot, so it doesn't stop the mess.
It will stop, just you gotta pump it a little bit?
Yeah, it will stop, but I wouldn't go on the road with it.
Right on, yeah, no, I just wanna chuck around my trailer. I got booster cables and shit. Mucho bad. The mucho. It's crazy. I used to get cars, $100. What do you give me for a car? $100. Sure, come get it, right? Just hundreds of them. Just cars after cars, trucks, everything. Now, if you don't, offer a guy $1,000, he's just like, oh yeah, no, buddy, down the road, we'll give me fucking $1,900 for it. So, like, what? How? What are you talking about? Don't they want to make any monies? Oh man, yeah, it's cold. I was gonna do today, but then I just decided that today's no good.
It's not bad.
No, yeah, I'm cold. Well, see, I don't have my jogging pants on, so. What do you got there?
GM steering box, brand new box. It's just been sitting in shed, and this will be your thumb.
that'd be a good idea. Holy shit.
Well, it'll be the sides and the bottom.
Great.
All better now.
What'd you do? Shit?
Yeah.
Nice. There it goes, boys. Never to be sunk again. Oh, borrow my power washer, borrow my man lift, borrow my power washer. Oh, can I borrow your bulldozer? No. Oh, thanks. Thanks. I didn't need to borrow your bulldozer. F all, bud. It's cool. Just really light her up. Holy, got my power washer in the back. Just lighten her up. Holy, from my movie. But yeah, the truck seems to run significantly better with hear it just purring. It was like clackety clacking. I thought for sure I had faulty injectors. But yeah, thank a cigarette, because I mean they're expensive, but you know, sooner or later they'll need to be replaced. But we're not just replacing injectors willy-nilly, and then it's still a bad ground, you know what I mean? Would you be able to do me a favor? Yeah, I'll just pull forward and yeah, we'll just make her in a straight line this way, and then I'll grab her on there easy. You ready?
Yeah, so what do you want me to do? Just push it?
No, steer it. Push. You just got to turn the wheel, because otherwise you know. Well, it's easier to turn when I'm pulling you too, right? Like as I'm pulling you, just steer the car so that we're straight. Oh dear.
Oh my god. Oh, you trimmed your beard.
Oh, you missed it, boys. My friggin' battery died. Because why wouldn't it? And yeah, you missed the shot terrible. So hope you're happy. We got a bit of a load, boys. A little bit of a load in a minute. We're gonna get that one. All right. Good jag right there, boys. Just taking loads relentless today, boys. Oh, look. 50 psi in the bags. 120 psi in the tank. Huh? That's my favoriteest, most awesomest upgrade ever. Let's see what happens. Giving her. Oh, look about simmer down there, friggin' ball wad. I apologize. A little bit of an outburst there. Not like me. feels terribly heavy, boys. I'm not gonna lie. Oh, 19,020. That's a good Jag, boys. It's almost 19,000 even. Oh, 1940 when the light turned green. Hopefully they locked her in 1940, boys. That's 20 more bucks under my pillow. This is the first double stacker, boys. First double stacker of the year. Got that off the lady last night. Already sawzalled the cat off for me. Of course, I pay top prices for scrap cars, so thank you. Come on, big monies. Hey? Come on, big monies. $19,040. 11,460. 11,460. 11,440. That's all the bank's money. Am I happy?